Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a cooling and calming cryofacial massage with spoons. It's scorching hot in the city and I hope this calms you down. It also really wakes you up and tightens those pores temporarily as well as depuffs you. Start with an oil on the wrist. It's essential oil, calming lavender I've used, and it's so calming, so relaxing, and you smell it throughout while you're doing the massage. I always do this even when I'm working out or any kind of massage. First, activate the lymphatic nodes. Now go ahead and spray your face with some toner or anything, just so that you just get some lubrication for slipping of the spoons. Now let's start with the massage. I first go around the mouth area and then the under eye, slowly to depuff the under eye area. And now up on the forehead. It's so relaxing. There's so much anxiety right now, and it really relaxes you and gives you so much mental clarity and sets you for the day. Just do whatever feels right for you. Now put the spoons over your eyes. Your eyes are just going to melt in the spoon, and take a few deep breaths. It's just like doing a kind of meditation, so it does the double work for me. Enjoy.